My name is Olivia. I have been an intern here at NTT DATA for the past 6 weeks in the business applications stream in a business analyst role. The experience here has been incredibly comprehensive. We've had the experience of going to different vendor sites such as Palo Alto and Cisco, and we've also participated in projects with the wider intern cohort. In the last 6 weeks, I've grown professionally by learning a lot about the pre-sales process. This has included creating proposals, statement of works, and responding to RFQs. I've learned that there is no linear career trajectory and that everyone comes from different backgrounds, and that's what makes this environment so valuable and interesting. If I were giving advice to someone who is applying for an internship at NTT, I would say come open-minded, ask as many questions as you can, and speak to as many people in the industry to learn about their experiences.